Hi everyone, what's up today? How are you? I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to my blog. In today's video, I will be showing you this. This is a 6-in-1 hair curling iron. So basically, you can see all those in this shell. We are showing you the 6-in-1. And it depends according the style, what kind of style of your hair that you desire. So, in order to take the textured and sporulate hair, I have 9 to 18 millimeters, which is like 0.35 to 0.70 inch. This is one. And the second one, this attachment is about 19 millimeters. This curling iron is more suitable for short and medium hair, but I'm gonna go over all of them later for you. And next, I believe the next one is 25 millimeters, which is, we can also say 1 inch. This attachment colors tight spring waist. I'll show you later when I test it. And okay, so this is another 25 mm. They are same as the other one, but it just the curls are gonna be loose curls and the waves gallery. Okay, so now finally we get to this. This is the biggest one, which is 32 millimeters. We can also say 1.25 inch, and this is suitable for the big wave. Okay, so if you have big hair, you want to do the big wave styles, this is the one the right choice. Okay, then the last one I'm going to show you. Okay, this is one we call hair straightener brush. And this is like the hair quality, which is about thick and kind of damaged, or maybe you want very straight, shining looking. This is the right choice. And of course, you can choose different attachments, such as 1 inch like a bubble barrel curling wind, which is suitable for boho hairstyles, boho hairstyles. And also you can equip with like the 3 lowers wave iron. Yeah, you can choose many different attachments for this base. Okay, so let's go to the next part. So, the base. The base comes with the lock here and then the unlock. And so there is some line, there is some tooling line here indicating where you should put it on to the base. So you just want to put the base onto the little lock sign here, and then you press it, and then you don't turn the base or the one you want to turn, just like this. Okay, you can take it out, and now you want to put this 25 millimeters, and you see there is a mark here, and you just press it down and you locked. So there is a little click when you want to unlock, and then you just put on the curling wires. Okay, so let's get the test it. Okay, so let's get started. This is my supermodel, Aria. Aria, say hi. And you guys can see her hair is not styled at all. I just apply some conditioner into it and let it dry. I didn't blow the hair dryer to make styles. So that we are going to test our 6-in-1 hair color. And for this 6-in-1 hair color, so they use the PE material for the house, which can prevent the high temperature, so you don't feel hot when you hold it. And also for all the attachment, for the heat attachment, we use the ceramic coating. I still wear a protective gloves because this is heating up very quickly. And we check from the menu, it says about 30 seconds to heat up about 210, but actually I already feel it's hot at all. So I think about 15 seconds, it's already hot like the whole area. So we need to wear the protective gloves. And also we have the safety protection 60 minutes autumn shut off to avoid forgetting to turn off the products. So it's super, this part is super hot. So guys, so about 15 seconds. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over them very quickly with Miss Area and let's see what will happen. Very interested to see what is they're gonna give us, and it comes with a clip so suitable for long hair. And you see we can do the big waves. This is a big waves. This is 25 millimeters. We use this for big waves, and later for the other side we will use 9 to 18 millimeters, and we will see the difference. We will see the two sides is totally different style. So you can see the difference. So this is heated, operated with 25 millimeters, and this we use for 9 to 18 millimeters. So wow, it looks pretty. And this is whether the girls produced, you know, very super bouncing and super cute. I never had a curling iron like this, 6 in 1. Okay guys, this is my supermodel Area. Thanks for your job, Area.
Thank you.
You did a good job today. And for the price, I paid for one to get 6 different styles and so many different looks that I can create. I watched the reviews and stuff because you have a doubt, like worry about that it wouldn't work. But honestly, it does have. It doesn't have, and there's no problem at all. It works perfect fun. Okay, so that's what I had for today. I hope you like and enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to send your subscribe to my channel like LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. It will mean the world to me, yes. And I hope to talk to you in my next video, and I will see you soon.